Hello beta, today we will solve few questions on factorization by splitting middle term. We are having quadratic trinomials, power 2 and with the 3 terms. So in this case, the first question is x square plus 9x plus 18. Splitting middle term means you have to break 9 such that sum is 9 and product is 18. Product 18 into coefficient of x square, this is 1, so it is 18. In this case, you can very easily do this 6 and 3. So you can write this as x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. इसमें आप दो दो का पेयर बना देंगे टेकिंग कॉमन x from the first two terms, x plus 6 plus 3, it is again x plus 6. Again x plus 6 is, now these are two terms, x plus 6, 3x plus 6. One term is x plus 6, other is x plus 3. So these are the factors of the x square plus 9x plus 18. Second question is x square minus 4x minus 21. In this case, sum should be minus 4. Sum is minus 4 and product is minus 21. यहाँ से आपको यह पता लगना चाहिए sum is minus 4 means one term should be positive and other should be negative. It means difference of two terms is 4 with larger with the negative sign. So this is, I think, 7 3 the 21. Again it is very simple. One is positive, one is negative, so we will get the product minus 21. अच्छा, अब 7 and 3 आपने कर दिया, the sign of the larger term will be negative because we want minus 4x. So you can write this as x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. ये minus 4 जो है वो हमारा split हो गया है in minus 7 and plus 3. Again taking x common from the first two terms, x minus 7 plus 3, again it is x minus 7, x minus 7, x plus 3. These are the two factors of the given quadratic. Next, question number 3. 6x square plus 7x minus 3. इसमें आपके पास यहाँ sum should be again 7 and product is minus 18. I just told you product should be product of the constant term and the coefficient of x square. Now sum is 7 but product is negative, it means one term should be negative. It means we can write 9 minus 2. 7 will be there. This is 6x square plus 9x minus 2x. It will be 7x and product 9 2 is 18 and minus की वजह से this will be minus 18. Again taking, you can take 3x common from the first two terms, 2x plus 3. This is minus common, minus means there is no common term common, so you can write 1 so that आपको बाद में easy हो जाए. 2x plus 3. So this is 2x plus 3 from both the terms and 3x minus 1. These are the factors. Next, fourth question is, this is 2x square minus 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12. In this case, you have to take the LCM. It will become 24x square minus 10x plus 1. So you can write 1 upon 12 outside, 24x square minus 10x plus 1. Now sum should be 10, actually minus 10 and product is 24. Sum is minus 10, product is 24. sum minus 10 and product 24, this it shows that both the terms will be having negative sign and product of the two negative number is plus. So this will be 6 and 4. 6 and 4, 10 and 6, 4 is 24. This 1 upon 12 will be as it is 24x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 1. It is 1 upon 12. You can take 6x common. अंदर आपके पास आ गया 4x minus 1 minus 1 common 4x minus 1 minus is common so this will become minus. It will be 1 upon 12. दोनों ब्रैकेट हमेशा सेम आएंगे बेटा 4x minus 1 and the second is 6x minus 1. These are the factors. अगर आपके पास फ्रैक्शन में रैशनल नंबर में ऐसे है तो यू हैव टू टेक द LCM to solve this. Next question is again factorizing by splitting middle term. यहाँ पर हमारे पास है 5 root 5x square plus 20x plus 3 root 5. इसके लिए सेम मेथड बेटा सम शुड बी 20 and product is 5 3s are 15 5s are 75. So all positive signs are there, so it will be very easy. 15 plus 5 is 20, 15 5s are 75. So you can break the middle term 5 root 5x square plus 15x plus 5x plus 3 root 5. You can take root 5 common, root 5x, which will be 5x plus 3. Next, 5, you can take 5 common. 5 common से नहीं आएगा, root 5x 5x plus 3 root 5. ये बेटा 15 है, root 5 common लिया तो it will be 3 root 5. Let it be like this. Again root 5 common, again it will be 5 root 5 root 5 5 root x. This is 3 root 5. ये यहाँ से इसको छोड़ो बेटा. You can take 5 common. From the first two terms, let us take 5 common. Root 5x root 5x plus 3 plus root 5 common, again it is root 5x plus 3. Now it's okay. So again you are having same bracket root 5x plus 3 and 5x plus root 5. ये हमारा हो गया. Next is question number 6. Now this is not a quadratic, it is biquadratic having power 4. इसके लिए आपने you have to convert it into the quadratic. X square, let x square is equal to another variable y, so x4 will be y square. So our quadratic will become 4x square 4y square plus 7y minus 2. Again same method, sum should be 7 and product should be minus 8. यहाँ से again product minus है तो one term should be negative. So we will write this as 4y square, यहाँ पर प्लस 7 है 8y minus 1y. This is 7y and product will be minus 8 minus 2. 2y common, 4y common, y plus 2 minus 1 common, y plus 2. It is y plus 2 4y minus 1. अभी you have to replace this y with the x square, क्योंकि ये हमारी अपनी सपोजिशन है, इसमें हमारे क्वेश्चन में देर इज नो y, तो दिस y इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय x square plus 2 and this is 4x square minus 1. यहाँ पर आप ये देख सकते हो जो सेकंड ब्रैकेट है इट कैन अगेन बी फैक्टराइज, क्लास 8th में आपने आइडेंटिटी पढ़ी है a प्लस बी ए माइनस बी, तो दिस इज 2x होल स्क्वायर minus 1 square, so it is, you can write it 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. These are the factors of the given expression. Next, again it is 7x minus 2y whole square minus 25x minus 2y plus 12. इसके लिए you have to suppose let x minus 2y is equal to a. So our this expression will become 7a square minus 25a plus 12. Splitting middle term, s should be minus 25, product should be 84. Product of two negative terms is positive. तो हमारे को दो नंबर लेने हैं, they will be 25 को स्प्लिट करिए, minus 21 and minus 4. So this will be 7a square minus 21a minus 4a plus 12. 7a common, a minus 3 minus 4 common, a minus 3. This is a minus 3, 7a minus 4. Again you have to replace a with x minus 2y because this was our own supposition. So you can write this as x minus 2y minus 3, 7 a instead of a, x minus 2y minus 4. Again I will open this bracket, the second bracket, x minus 2y minus 3, 7x minus 14y minus 4. These are the factors of the given expression. Next question is, give possible expression for the length and breadth of a rectangle whose area is given to you. We know area is length into breadth. Area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Again, it is the product of two expressions. यहाँ पर you have to use the splitting middle term. You have to factorize this expression. Again, sum is minus 35 and product is 12 into 25 is 300. Product positive है, it means both the terms should be negative. So that the sum product of the two negative terms will become plus 300. So this is 35, 300. I think it will be 20 and 15. So this will become 25a square minus 20a minus 15a, ये minus 35a split हो गया, is equal to this. Common term is 5a minus 4 minus 3, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3. यहाँ से आपको ये मिल गया, one is length, other is breadth. So you can write this is length, this is breadth, or you can other way this is breadth, it can be length. उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, जिसको मर्जी length ले लें, जिसको मर्जी breadth ले लें. Next question, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of a cuboid whose volume is given by this? You know volume is length into breadth into height. यहाँ पर हमारे को तीन product of three terms चाहिए. The first step to factorize is to take common. तो volume is given by this, हमारे इसमें से you can take 2k common. 2k common, volume is this, 2k common ले लिया, हमारे पास अंदर बच गया y square plus 3y minus 10. Now you have to split y square plus 3y minus 10. Again, I am writing this 2k y square plus 3y minus 10. Sum should be 3 and product is minus 10. Product negative है, it means one term should be positive, other should be negative. So we have to find 5 and 2. 5 and 2 का difference 3. The greater number will have this positive sign. So you can write this as 2k as it is, y square plus 5y minus 2y minus 10. It is 2k y common, y plus 5 minus 2 common, y plus 5. 2k y plus 5 and y minus 2. These are the three expressions. One is length, other is breadth, third is height. It can be any. इसको लेंथ ब्रेड्थ हाइट, ब्रेड्थ लेंथ हाइट, हाइट लेंथ ब्रेड्थ, कुछ भी आप ले लेंगे. प्रोडक्ट विल बी वॉल्यूम. उसमें कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी आपको पता ही है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दीज आर द आवर 3 dimensions for the cuboid. That's all.